Hello, how can you compare Cambrian and Precambrian? Geologic time is organized into a hierarchy. Eons are the largest units divided into eras, which split into periods and epochs and finally ages. Since larger division group subdivision based on common features, larger units represent a more general view than smaller one. Each division covers life development, oxygen levels, and geologic activity. A helpful analogy is a book entitled The Earth's Biography, where an eon represents a part of the book, an era a chapter, a period a section, an epoch a paragraph, and an age a sentence. The Precambrian can be treated as a supereon, though it's an unofficial division covering most of Earth history. It includes the Hadean, Archean, and Proterozoic eons. The Cambrian period, the first period of the Paleozoic era within the Phanerozoic eon, marks a revolutionary burst of life known as the Cambrian explosion. Does it mean that no significant life-related events took place in the Precambrian? Quite the opposite. A lot happened. In the Hadean eon, Earth and Moon formed, oceans appeared, and organic molecules gave rise to look at the great-great-grandparent of all living organisms, and all happened in an anaerobic environment. In the Archean, Cratons stabilized, prokaryotes evolved, and cyanobacteria began producing oxygen. Then the Proterozoic brought the great oxidation event and global glaciation, supercontinental assemblies and breaking, and the rise of eukaryotes, first unicellular, then multicellular, working as an amazing oxyfactory, leading to Neoproterozoic oxidation event and snowball Earth. And finally, more complex soft-bodied macro-complex fauna known as the Diacaran biota, with even first rise of hard part exoskeleton. Then came the Cambrian explosion, a burst of complex life body plans and hard parts domination and advanced mobility then transformed the marine world. During the Phanerozoic eon, including the Cambrian period, oxygen stabilized and eventually life expanded onto land with plants and animals and us. Supercontinent was and is continued. The Phanerozoic eon is marked by several major mass extinctions that reshaped life on Earth. During the Precambrian and the Cambrian period, life was exclusively marine. Although life remained marine during the Cambrian period laid the biological and ecological groundwork that enabled life to take its next major step, the eventual transition to land and later periods. Thank you for watching. With Geo greetings. See you next time.